Let's talk about one of the most researched, proven, and misunderstood supplements in the fitness world, creatine. If you've ever heard of someone saying creatine is a steroid, stop them right there. It's not dangerous, it's not cheating, and no, it won't make you go bald overnight. Let me break it down for you. Listen up, take notes. Creatine is a natural compound found in your body. Your body already makes it. Now, you can also get it from foods such as red meat and fish. It's stored in your muscles and helps regenerate ATP, which is basically your body's short-term energy currency. In simple terms, creatine is like topping up your battery so you can squeeze out a few more extra reps, sprint harder, and recover faster between efforts. Hundreds of studies have shown creatine supplementation improves high-intensity exercise performance, strength, and muscle growth. It also increases water content inside your muscle cells. Now, don't panic. That's not bloating. It's called cell volumization. Boy, I'm glad that I actually got that word out, And it actually signals your body to build more muscle over time. Now, here's the cool bit. Creatine isn't just about gym performance. Research has shown it may also support cognitive function and brain health, especially in times of stress or sleep deprivation. There we go. Here's the word. Deprivation. Motherfucker, you know what I'm trying to say. This is why I don't make these videos with these big ass, long ass fucking words. I try it one more time. Deprivation. Look, listen, when you ain't sleeping enough, motherfucker, I had to ruin an educational video. I'm human, people. Creatine is one of the most studied supplements ever. We're talking over 1,000 studies. And the overwhelming conclusion is it's safe for healthy people. No, it doesn't damage your kidneys if you don't already have kidney disease. But also don't overhype it because it's not going to turn you into the Hulk. The only real side effect people get is a bit of water retention in the first week. However, that's actually a sign that it's working. Now, where should you get creatine from? Forget the flashy pre-workouts and the gimmicks and the super advanced creatine blends with the neon packaging and all this kind of fucking bullshit. The only one you need is creatine monohydrate. It's the gold standard, it's cheap, and it's the one that's backed with all the research. How much, I hear you ask? It's a big scale, 5 to 30 grams a day. Now you're probably going, what the fuck? Here's what I recommend. Simply for the gym stuff, 5 to 15 grams, depending on your size. So someone like me, I take about 15 grams. Whereas smaller people, I think only needs about 5 grams. Now you're probably asking, where does the 30 grams come from now at the other end of that scale? The 30 grams is more for the nootropic benefits, the brain stuff. There's a lot of studies that's happening right now about the nootropic benefits of creatine. More research is coming out to support that it's really great for almost every individual. Now, I have to be careful with how I word this because I don't want to get in trouble, but it could help to prevent things such as Alzheimer's or dementia. It could help to prevent it. Now, Alzheimer's and dementia has a very special place in my heart, and it's something that I talk a lot about. And, I do believe that everyone should be supplementing with creatine. Now, the other really cool thing that's kind of come out recently is if you've had like really bad sleep or you've had a period of really bad sleep, taking creatine can help to negate a lot of the side effects that happen with that. And it can also sometimes actually cancel out the fact that you had a bad night's sleep. Now, more and more studies are happening with creatine, and I welcome it because I was a strong believer in creatine being able to pass what's called the blood-brain barrier, right? And I spoke a lot about nootropic effects of creatine many years ago, and now the science is coming out. So I welcome these additional studies. Please remember, and please educate people. Creatine is safe, cheap, effective, and one of the best supplements you can take if your goal is to build muscle, get stronger, have better performance, and, as I've mentioned, maybe even have better brain health. Remember, skip the hype, skip the overpriced blends, stick to creatine monohydrate, take it consistently, and that's it. But on the other hand, also remember, creatine isn't magic. It's not going to turn you into the Hulk, it's not going to turn you into Arnold Schwarzenegger. But if we're talking about supplements that I do believe everyone should be taking, this is the one.